The father, who had been a chef all his life, was shocked to discover his mischievous son showed amazing talent the first time he cooked. He had only explained how to make scrambled eggs with chili once, yet the boy's technique was as skilled as a pro. He thought for sure the next dish would surpass his own, but due to poor heat control, the boy ended up burning the dish. Still, the father insisted he serve it to the customer, because earlier, the couple had made a deal with the guest. If the dish tasted bad, they'd pay him $100. But to their surprise, after just one bite, the guest said it reminded him of his mother's cooking. They had no idea the boy was actually a cooking prodigy, who had accidentally time-traveled into the mischievous son's body just hours ago. At the time, he had been called out of school for skipping class. His mother scolded him harshly, not knowing he had already mastered the school lessons, which was why he didn't follow the rules. They thought punishment would correct his behavior, but he still refused to study quietly. Seeing their methods fail, the parents decided to make him understand the value of hard work. So the father brought over a bowl of ingredients and asked the boy to sort and wash them, then place them in the fridge. At the same time, the mother invited a frequent restaurant customer and told him her son would be cooking a dish for him to try. She asked him to give honest feedback, hoping to shatter the boy's confidence and push him back into studying. She promised to remake the dish afterward and only charge half price. The customer readily agreed. The mother chose two basic dishes to test the boy. The father told his son he would prepare one, and the boy could make the scrambled eggs with chili, never expecting that a single explanation would result in such impressive technique. Though the boy still burnt the dish in the end, he wanted to remake it, but the father insisted he serve it as is, thinking this would teach him a lesson. To everyone's shock, the customer took one bite and was flooded with memories of his mother's cooking. Tears fell from his eyes. The father thought he hated it and offered to make a new one, but the customer refused. The mother looked confused. She had expected him to say it tasted awful, but instead the customer pulled out $100 bill and said the boy had real talent and should be trained properly, then left without another word. Still thinking it was pure luck, the parents decided to increase his workload. The mother brought in 3 more customers, then excitedly told the boy to cook 4 dishes. The father secretly thought this time the boy would surely fail and return to his studies. He explained how to make the vegetable dishes, and once again the boy finished them quickly. But the father was confused because one of the dishes came out slightly dark. He didn't know the father had deliberately left out a key step, which was soaking the vegetables in white water for 10 minutes. Otherwise they would darken during cooking. Still, the boy served the dish to the customers, and when they shared their thoughts, the mother couldn't help but frown.